Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. If you're old, thank you for coming back. So first of all, let me just moisturize my lips with my Yourgan argan oil. I really love argan oil. It keeps my lips moisturized and my face also moisturized. I've already moisturized my face with the argan oil. So to the reason that we are here today, and which is the Alcone Stop the Sweat. This is how it looks like. It contains water, witch hazel, and aluminium chlorohydrate. I hope I pronounced that right. And this actually says stop the sweat. So I don't really know much of oil, but I went to test out both and then see how long it's gonna last. I've forgotten where I got it from though, but I know Rose has some and then Vita Joseph has some, so you guys can check them out. First off, it has a mild smell. It doesn't really have any foul or strong pungent smell. Or you can apply it either with your fingers, a brush, and I also read it somewhere that you can apply it with cotton wool. So today we are going to apply it using cotton. It's supposed to be a primer, or you can use it as a primer. Now that I've really applied it onto my face is feeling a bit dry. I really tell the effects like straightforward. For foundation, I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match in the shade Cappuccino. I like this. This is dope. And my face is still matte or dry. Alright, okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Since today's tutorial is all about the Alcone Stop the Sweat, so I'm going to finish up my whole face. I'm going to actually beat my face so we can really test out this product. You know what, all of a sudden I feel like I have dry skin because my face is that dry. So I'm going to set up my concealed areas with my Mercier translucent powder. I think I'm all out. I hope those of you who sell it can sponsor me. I am all that now. My lashes are from Cute Lashes GH. I'll put her link down in the description box below so you guys can go check her out. These are in the style Date Night, and they are very they're like mink lashes. So yeah, you guys can go check her out. It is 11:39 a.m. in the morning. Let's just say it's 11:40, and I've been filming for close to like an hour now, so I'll say around 10:40, that's when I put the Alcone Stop the Sweat on my face. Now we're about to go into the real world and then test this baby out to see all the hoopla, and let's see if it's going to work out and make my face sweat proof. I hardly sweat, as I said, so I don't know, but let's see if it's going to help with the oil as well. So now that my face is all beat up, all made up, and I'm looking like a different person than how I looked before, so let's go test it out. And oh yay, Bethmien Beauty just subscribed to my channel. Thank you, Bethmien Beauty. I love your beauty blenders. I'm going to go out now and I'll check back with you in some few hours to see how best this Alcone is hanging in there. So stay tuned. See ya. Hey guys, so it's been 6 hours and I'm back now. I look very oily. I look like a fried chicken right now. Let me come close so you guys know what I'm talking about. So we did this job because it's called Alcone Stop the Sweat. It's not Stop the Oil, so clearly it did stop the sweat. It's just this part of my face that there was sweat starting to form over there, but aside that was it. So my final thoughts on this is I'm still going to use it though. I like it. It did this job. So it did stop the sweat, but it didn't stop the oil, as clearly you guys could see on my face earlier on. So I'm still going to use it, but I'm going to pair it with my other primers so I can, you know, prevent both the oil and the sweat from forming on my face. But overall, I like it. It is good. I'm still going to use it as and when. Yeah, so I give it a thumbs up, and it is MzJwan approved. So you guys should get yourself some if, you know, you sweat a lot. But if you're an oily skin girl, I would advise that you add, you know, your normal primer to it, so, you know, it works really, really well for you. I'll do another video on, you know, pairing it with another primer to see, you know, how it's going to turn out. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.